Welcome back to Rise Up Learning. This is episode 4, the Cambridge level. And things are about to get seriously interesting. Cambridge questions are longer, more structured, and taste deeper understanding. But don't worry, if you followed episodes 1 to 3, you already have everything you need. Today I'll walk you through 2 Cambridge-style questions completely. Let's go. Question. A ball is projected horizontally at 12 ms from a cliff. It hits the sea after 3.5 seconds. Find the cliff height, the horizontal distances, and speed at impact. Use G, W, 9.8 minutes 2. Cliff height, H covered 1.2, X 9.8, X 3.52, 4.9, X 4.25, divided by 60.0 meters. Horizontal distance, X over 12, X 3.5, 42 meters. Speed at impact, vertical velocity, 9.8, X 3.5, 34.3 minutes. Resultant, 122 plus 34.32, remain 13, 20, 45. So these will be 36.3 minutes. Question. A stone is thrown at 25 minutes at 40 degrees above horizontal from the top of an 80-meter tower. Find the maximum height above ground and total time of flight. Resolving components. UX draws 25 copies of 40 degree process of 90.2 ms, and U go over who the 25 reps and the 40 glow over 16.1 ms. Extra height above tower. S over UV2. 2G over 16.12. 19.6 over 13.2 meters. So maximum height above ground. H over 80 plus 30.2, 93.2 meters. Total time. Using quadratic formula. 4.922, 16.12, 80 So this T, what is 16.1 plus 42.7, 9.8. So T minus 6.0 seconds. Cambridge episode 4 recap. Use G under 9.8. Give answers to 3 significant figures. Use the quadratic formula when learning level differs. Define your positive direction and show all working for method marks. If this helped, please give it a thumbs up and share. Subscribe for our final episode 5. Comment any questions below. I reply to every single one. Keep learning, keep rising. This is Rise Up Learning.